guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing for you guys the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus from the month of May. Now, the May Ipsy Glam Bag Plus was not the first Glam Bag Plus box, but it was the first one that I was able to get my hands on when I got an invite for it, and obviously I had to try it out. So as soon as I got that invite, I signed up for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus to kind of just see what all the hype is about. As you can tell, it's kind of already different. Instead of that cute little bubble pink mailer that they usually send the regular glam bags in, you get a giant pink box that says Ipsy. It is just real fun, real cute, and it's giant. So let's unbox this. So it might be kind of hard to tell since the box is already open, but it came extremely crushed, which is a little bit of a bummer because the box just looks ugly. But thankfully, everything inside the box, all of my products were safe and sound, which is great. And honestly, Ipsy has the most amazing customer service. So I have no doubt that if I had had a broken product, they would have replaced it. Anyways, opening this bad boy up, it says Ipsy Glam Bag Plus up there. It's got a cute little quote that says, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you," which is just very self-love, body positive, all those good things. So I love that. I love that little reminder. And then, as you can probably tell, instead of the bubble mailer, you get a little bit of bubble sheet in here. It wraps around to the bottom of the box too, which is really nice. So your products stay just extra nice and safe. Obviously, it's not gonna protect it if your box gets totally crushed, but it protected it and my box got fairly crushed. So I like that. All of my products are unboxed already, but as you can see, the first thing on the very top is this little handy dandy pamphlet, which I absolutely love. The theme for the month was Ipsy Daydream, and it goes through and it tells you every single thing that you got in the box, why they picked it, how to use it, that sort of thing. So it's just a really cool, nice little fold out info sheet. Another feature of this little pamphlet that I absolutely love is that it already contains the prices for these products. Because they are full-size products, there is no math for me to do, which is amazing. It's already labeled in here. So as you can see, I got two Illamasqua lip coloring pencils, and they're worth $21 each. So I just add all this up. Really super easy, not as much math for me, which means that the total value for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for me for the month of May was $146, and I only paid $25. So I think that is an absolutely worth it, amazing, amazing price. So I have already kind of decided that I will be continuing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus subscription, but let's dive into the products so you can see exactly why. First up, I got this Candy Johnson collaboration with Purlisse. This is the Butter Me Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. It smells absolutely incredible, as you can imagine, exactly like orange creamsicle. It just makes me really want orange creamsicle flavored things. Smells amazing. I will say that I don't necessarily think it is as deeply hydrating as I would like, but it does an amazing job. It just leaves me very hungry. And this would retail for about $24, so right there, right here, basically is almost the full price of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is the THERMALE AVÈNE Soothing Moisture Mask. Now, this is kind of like an overnight mask that you put on, you leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes, blot off any excess, and then go to bed and wash your face in the morning, and your skin feels amazing and hydrated. I absolutely love this. I've been using this a couple of times a week just to really get some moisture back into my skin, and I absolutely love it. My skin is on the drier side right now, so I definitely would say that I don't really have to blot as much as I probably should. It really just is a moisturizer, not a moisturizing mask, because my skin just sucks it all up. But overall, I think this is an amazing, amazing product. However, it is a little expensive. This retails for $26 for this size. So I'm not sure if I will repurchase it, but I really do like it. This is the Wander Beauty Wanderess Seascape eyeshadow palette. Now, I was introduced to Wander Beauty through Ipsy a couple of months ago. They gave me those 24 karat gold under eye masks, which I did like. They were a little expensive, so I'm not sure I would repurchase them necessarily, but I was excited to try more from that brand. This is a kind of small palette, but it retails for about $25. After trying it a little bit, I'm not sure necessarily that I would have paid $25 for this palette. It is very nice. I am wearing it right now. What I will say about it though is that the glitters really kind of have to be applied, and most of them are glitters, so they kind of all really have to be applied with your finger if you want to get that pigmented payoff. This color right here, Sand Dollar, is really the only matte, but it is a very pretty matte. I don't know, I really don't have a ton to say about this. It kind of did feel like some of the eyeshadows were kind of already sealed on the top, if you know what I mean, and the only way to apply them was with my finger. So again, that's kind of a bummer. I'm not really a person that likes applying shadows with their finger, but I think the color payoff is nice. I'm wearing it right now. I got a little of the blue on my lower lash line. I got the gold obviously on my lid. It's nice, it looks cute, it's lasted for the last couple of hours that I've been wearing it. It lasts for a couple hours every time, but kind of like with any glitter shadow, it does tend to wear off in the crease areas. So not incredibly noticeable, but definitely something to consider. This is the MAKIAGE Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. This retails for about $25, which is very expensive for a mascara, and I have to say I do not think I would repurchase it. I am wearing it right now and I just do not feel like my eyelashes look that great. It's kind of difficult to apply. I definitely had to work with it a little because the tendency is to go straight into clumping, which I like that more fluttery, lengthened, volumed look, and this is not really that kind of mascara. So not something I would repurchase, but it is a nice full-size mascara. I will continue to use it even though it's not like my favorite. And again, it's worth $25, so I you know, got a whole bunch of more products really for the price of just this one product. And then last but not least are those Illamasqua lip coloring pencils that I mentioned. These are $21 each. We've got two very beautiful colors. We've got Lust, which is kind of like this light coral pink. It's what I am wearing right now on the very outside of my lips, and then I topped it with kind of a salmon shade lipstick. And then there is also Media, which is this darker cranberry red. Both are absolutely beautiful. They're good lip pencils. They go on extremely smoothly. They look really nice on the lips. They last for a fairly long time. And of course, the most important part, they keep your lipstick from running, or at least the lipsticks I've tried with them. So I do like these. I feel like I would recommend them, but they are $21 a piece, which is fairly expensive. I would 100% buy them. If they were maybe like half the size and half the price, I would purchase more in multiple colors. But at the price point and at the size they are, which is, you know, a full-size lip pencil, obviously, duh. But I just don't use lip liner enough to really justify a repurchase of these, although I do like them. And just for anyone that is curious, this is the Sugar Cosmetics Better Call Salmon. It's a Pout Time Vivid Lipstick Mini, and it's in that shade 09 Better Call Salmon again, so it's kind of like a corally salmony pink, so that's what I paired over that Lust Coral Pink lip liner, and I think it's kind of a pretty combo. Anyways, that is everything that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of May. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have had a chance to try out the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I am absolutely thrilled. Like with any Ipsy Glam Bag, I did not absolutely love every single product that I got, but overall, I'm just really glad I was able to try these products out. I definitely found some ones that I would consider repurchasing, and I got a really good value overall. I mean, I paid $25 and I ended up with $146 worth of product, so that is absolutely incredible, and they're all products I will continue to use, so I do like that. As far as kind of the differences between the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, like I said, there is that price. The regular Glam Bag is only $10. It's actually been bumped up to $12 as of either September or October of 2019. And then the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is that $25 price point. Now they have added an Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, which will be $50, which I have signed up for. My wallet hates me, but I really just want to see what is in there. And additionally, in the September, October, one of those months, and then going forward, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box will include a sort of makeup bag within there. So I'm curious to see how that kind of changes the value of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, just because then you've got 5 full-size products with a bag. So I'm wondering if they will lower the value of the products to make up for the inclusion of the bag. We'll kind of see and play with that within the next couple of months as they kind of work that out, I am sure. The other kind of main difference between that Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and the regular Ipsy Glam Bag is the fact that with the regular Glam Bag, it is a little bit more personalized and more customized because these are smaller sample products in the regular Ipsy Glam Bag. Ipsy is able to pull from more brands and really fulfill kind of your style preferences, especially if you fill out that style quiz and you rank your products and review them every single month. It's a little bit more customized versus the Glam Bag Plus. Because these are full-size products, the range of products is a little bit smaller that they can pull from, so it's definitely not necessarily as customized, but again, you can still review them, and maybe that will change as, you know, Ipsy kind of continues to grow. The other thing I do want to mention is that you can still do add-ons for any of the Ipsy Glam Bags so far. Potentially with the Ultimate, though, they have not rolled that out, but I would assume so. It's just extra coin for them, so I don't know why they wouldn't still do add-ons. But yeah, I think that's it. Kind of really exciting. I'm super excited to continue to get more of these and continue to use more of the products, and I'm extremely excited for the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, even though that price point is a lot higher. I'm hoping that the products inside will kind of continue to match that price point. So anyways, thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Eyeleah, EYELEAH. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day.